yebo malume, yebo. Na ngizayathatha na ngadalingiza lembona li-green koli-YouTube kali-makeup na Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Crowning with Kobili. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the love and support. It means a lot to me. And if you're a newbie here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if this is the kind of content that you like. In today's video, I'll be doing a brush guide for beginners, like people want to start doing makeup and don't know where to start. So I'm just gonna be showing you all the brushes that you might need so that you don't have to buy you don't have to buy many brushes like I did. So I'm just gonna be showing you all the important brushes that you will need. So if you think this video is gonna be helpful to you, please continue watching and let's get into the video. As you see, I've already brushed up my eyebrows. I used the usual Isoplus hairline and edge holding gel. It actually broke earlier while I was busy doing it. So firstly, as you know, I applied my favorite primer from Rimmel, Fix and Protect. I think it goes for 130 from this cam. So the first brush that you need for concealing your eyebrows is this flat brush. Usually I use it to pack my eyeshadow. Usual concealer in shade Pure Beige. Maybelline Fit Me foundation in shade Caramel 350. You can get it from Clicks, Discam, any beauty shop name. So I used only one side while doing the concealer, so I'm going to turn to the other side and dab. So let's move on. We'll blend it shortly. Now moving on to foundation brushing. You have to use, okay, these are my current favorite foundation brushes. They kind of look the same, but this is a bit more wider. So for blending foundation, you can use either foundation brushes or a damp beauty blender. Okay, this is a damp one and this is a dried up one. So it has to be damp to an extent that when you squeeze it, water is coming out from it. So I'm going in with this because you can get this from Mr. Price. This side you can use it to contour your face, and this side is a foundation. So you don't have to buy many brushes. You just have to blend it out. Now, don't put like a lot of foundation. Eh? One side I'm gonna use a beauty blender, and the other side I'm gonna use a brush so that you can choose which one you prefer. So you dab. You don't know. You work it into your skin. Don't forget your neck. Wana ho na li two-tone ka 2022. Ya foundation ke tlo judge. So this side I'm going in with the beauty blender. The same routine, just work it all over your face. It's more or less the same. Like I don't see difference much. I get all I wanna know, but like I don't, honestly. It looks the same. So moving right along, we're going to conceal. Yebo. With the same foundation brush, you're going to use it for concealer. I'm going to blend it all my highlighted areas. Yebo. So here you look up as usual. Moving along to contour. So you know, this contouring, eh, you can use, I love using this brush. I also got it from nearest beauty store. I think it was like about 10 rand iliwani. Guys, makeup brush ki makeup brush, unless if the only thing of cheap thingy is that when you wash them it, but this one luckily it doesn't. And also it depends on the method that you use of washing your brushes. So this one get 10 rand, a little cheap, 10 rand. You have to get a wide brush. I don't know how to explain this, but I want to show you a smaller one. You see, like a one anal man, why won't okay, go for a chance to screenshot. I love using this one because like I love using big brushes because I'm done. I don't have to you can get this A Pro Go concealer from Discount Clicks for about, I saw good discount, it's like 65 right now. Espresso, using this brush. I'm using Revlon complexion powder in shade cinnamon. Same brush, like you don't have to. That's why it's just brush. It didn't, you know, same brush that you think it with. Dab, dab, dab. Now I'm going to use my loose powder from Yardley in shade caramelized. I'll be using this triangle-y brushes. I got them from Discam. It was like a whole packet. So I think it was about like 59 nail inch. Like there were lots. They're not good for blending though because they suck up all the product even when they're damp. And yeah. So here you can use. Now I do this. So now we're dusting it off. So moving right along, I don't have blush and I love using blush lately. So I improvise. So I'm using my Avon red lipstick in the Ruby Keys. So what I usually do is to just blend it out. It takes time because it's very matte. So after Monani, we're going to eyeshadow. So I'll be using two brushes. This one for blending. It's the same one as the one we used to blend your concealer. So this one I'm going to use to put on my. So using the BeautyTreats palette, it got this can. It's very affordable. I think this thing I bought it for 90 rand or something. You dab. Pick it up. So you just blend it. Okay, so now we're here with our makeup. Like the key to foundation is to have a flawless look. That's all that matters. I'm not supposed to see harsh lines, kuri, yay. So you must have a flawless look. I'm going to show you how it looks in the sun. I'm going to do my lips with this essence liner. And then I'm going to use my Avon lipstick in shade Passionate, yabo. So first I'm gonna wow. Anyways, love, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was very helpful. Let me show you guys again the brushes in case you might want to buy them, yabo. So these are all the brushes that I used. I hope this video was helpful, especially if you're looking like you wanna start doing your own makeup. I hope this was very useful, and if you liked it, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, because I see most people view my channel who view my videos are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, Crowning with Mobile, so that you can also hit the notification bell so that you can get a notification every time I upload a video. Wow, I love my teeth. Colgate. Anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next video.